Today we're going to do something a little different. We're not doing a main dish today, we're doing a side dish. Now, I know that a side dish isn't as exciting as a main dish or as exciting as a side chick. But anyway, man can't live on meat alone, so you got to have some good sides. Here's how we make our Italian green beans. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, a short episode. Tonight we are having straccato, which is Italian pot roast. And the house smells absolutely incredible. I need a side dish worthy of that. So we're gonna make some Italian green beans. It's quick, it's easy, and it's bound to be delicious. Let's get started. So over here I have a pot of water that's boiling to cook the green beans. We have a skillet over here that I just browned some garlic in for my garlic cheesy mashed potatoes for the straccato. We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of butter on medium heat. To that we're gonna add some minced garlic. The amount depends on how much your heart tells you to put in there. For us, it's a lot. A half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese, shredded. And about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We're gonna mix all that together until the breadcrumbs are good and toasty. Wow, that smells good already. Alrighty, my water is boiling, in goes my frozen green beans. Got a 16-ounce package here. Gonna let those go for about 3 minutes. Keep an eye on our breadcrumbs the entire time. Make sure we don't get them too toasty. It's been 3 minutes. We're gonna get the green beans drained. Then they get added to our breadcrumb mess. Then we get it all mixed up. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to make sure there's good stickage. Alrighty, turn down the heat to keep it warm. Let's give this a try. Hashtag fake news. First of all, I need to get it some salt. I'm going to use some of this Jacobsen garlic salt. Now we're ready to give it a try. All right, the moment of truth. Judgment by Charlotte.
Italian green beans. It looks like you've got crispy onions in there. And breadcrumbs. Am I correct?
Nope, no onions.
What's that?
That is breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese.
Ah, breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. Okay.
And garlic salt. And garlic. How do we do?
Those are good. I like the mix of textures.
There you go. You were there with me. Took about 5 minutes. Crazy easy. If you're eating Italian, this is your side dish. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.